GMetrix practice exams are an excellent way to practice your office skills and prepare for a MOS exam. GMetrix provides an accurate simulation of a MOS exam, as the style, interface and questions are all very similar to the official exam. GMetrix can be used on any Cardiff Met Windows PC and on personal Windows computers. To set up GMetrix, follow the GMetrix setup guide. The first thing you need to do is visit the gmetrix.net website and sign up for an account. Complete the registration form with your personal details, choosing a username and password that you will remember. Once you have registered with GMetrix, you can install GMetrix from Cardiff Met's App Store, Apps Anywhere. On Cardiff Met PCs, there will be a Apps Anywhere icon on the desktop. On your personal machine, you need to visit appsanywhere.cardiffmet.ac.uk. From there, sign in with your Cardiff Met account. And find GMetrix in the list of software. Click on the Launch button to install and run the program. Note that you do need Office 2016 installed as well. This can be downloaded from portal.office.com. When the software is loaded, sign in with your GMetrix account and apply the access code that is at the bottom of the setup guide. The New Test button allows you to begin a new GMetrix practice test. First, you need to choose the Office application, and then the test mode. Training mode has help available should you need it, and there is no time limit. Testing mode simulates a MOS exam in that there is a 50-minute time limit and no help available. The best GMetrix practice exercises are the practice exams. Choose one, read the instructions, and hit Start Test. GMetrix practice exams, like the real exams, are divided into a series of projects. Each project has a number of tasks for you to complete. First, you are presented with an overview of the spreadsheet and project that you're working on. Once you have read that, proceed on to the first task. Read the question carefully. Here we are being asked to, in cell C12 on the visitor attendance worksheet, use structured references to elements of the table to calculate the total average attendance at all national parks. So we need to use a function, the average function, and then use a structured reference to the values in the table to take the average. When you have completed a task, you can use the Mark Completed or Mark for Review buttons. The Mark Completed button you can use to indicate that you have completed the task and that you are confident of the answer. If you're unsure of an answer, or if you've skipped one, you can use the Mark for Review button. At the end of the exam, you'll be able to see a list of tasks that you have marked as completed or marked for review. Note, however, that the software will assess what you have done regardless of whether you have used these buttons. It is purely for your information only. Once you have completed task 1, proceed through the remaining tasks. If you are in training mode, you can use the Help button to see precise instructions as to how to complete that task. When you have completed a project, click on the Grade Project button. If you are in training mode, you will see your results straight away. If you're in testing mode, you won't get your results until the end of the practice exam. When you have completed all projects in an exam, the summary button allows you to see a breakdown of the questions you have viewed, the questions you have marked for review, and the questions you have marked as completed. You can then go back to any of these questions to try them again if necessary. The Finish Test button will commit your results